Let's look really good. All size, big, small. Come with him. Come with him. On the south, sir. Comfortable. That's not one.
No time at all.
But next time we carry a party, not to.
Yeah, man, I know if you know. I'm going there. Yeah.
Oh God. Yes. Yeah, man, peeps, you're out tonight for another epic adventure.
Yeah, man, you know.
Well prepared too.
You know, so me that carry the season.
Tool carry machete. Tool carry machete and some wood. For licking machete.
I saw this one across the head side.
So what, right now?
A piece of board?
That hour. Stump. Yeah, people.
Big up on stage too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're going to show you some nice sketch today.
Boy, Baba down there, I'm going to catch something already.
You know, film style, you know, determined, you know.
See you there?
When there?
Hey, you don't come give man.
SSG.
No. Everybody knows that Uncle Chip this. Uncle Chip.
What do you know? SSG gate.
No, man, they can't give you any. They can't give you any. Well, tonight we decide who not catch nothing or everything. Tonight we decide.
Carefully, which one?
Uncle Chip, my name, no. Mr. Uncle Chip, my name, I'm something, I don't have to call me name.
One thing, you know. If me not
Careful what you say.
Come over.
Careful what you say.
We catch a eel now, river. We catch a eel now, river.
He said, who not catch nothing, get the whole I name them.
Fee night.
What?
Fee night.
Fee night, you say?
Yeah.
Alright,
So what about video?
between him, me and Chip. So we're going to see.
Lead the way, SSG.
Yo.
Hey, but yo, today, I'm cousin them watch our video. Alright. No stop, no born. Yeah, man, peeps arrive. River water, nice, man. Can't complain. So right now, nice piece of road water. So right now we are across the river. We catch some beer. No, beer. Look, look really good. All size, big, small, large, thick, fat, slim.
I best quality
everything.
to work with. I want to work with nothing at all.
I'm not joking.
If I come down.
Yeah, man. So right now we are across the river. We know a buck shuffle.
So we not eating now, we just stay tuned.
No buck shuffle. Yes, the fishing rod.
No, I say, no something, no bone, that's a worm.
That Uncle Ramston. Now that everybody had.
What do you mean?
I say, no sucker,
no bone.
no stay tuned and watch what I go on tonight.
And if.
Remember that, and if uncle. Oh no, move so, on the south so. On the south so. On the south so. It's short iron.
Hold him, uncle. Hold him, uncle. Hold him, let me get there now.
Okay. I'm looking at you already.
Yeah, man, yeah, catch one.
This is the size we're talking about.
Dopey size.
No bone.
Tarpon. Uncle say I watch on over here, so go and catch him same time. Nobody eat. Yeah, man, in the pan, I watch him. Big, you know. Big, you know.
One big one just come up with it.
See him there, so. See Uncle Chipper right there. And on a fishing catch. You catch mullet too.
You want a shark?
I'm going to
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, man.
What is that crayfish?
You know, listen to it, you know. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Can't be a foolishness in that chat. The from Uncle Chip, see you know?
I'm going to bigger one too. Let me go buy that.
Yeah.
Two, you know.
Gone on that bush. What's up, confusing, man? You have him? That gone left you, man. That gone left you. Catch. Monster. Come in. One more, you have one already, you know. Yeah, man, one more did that. You want to see one now when you catch it, guys? Busy. Yeah, man, you must catch it.
Man, relax. Comfortable.
Cool, no, man. Oh, yeah.
Yes, man.
Uncle Chip.
Man, not disrespect me, dog.
Look on him.
Okay, what's that like?
Uncle Chip.
No, man, I do too. Ask me mullet go in there.
Yo, give me a bucket and go on back down. Go sit down till you come now.
No disrespect, man.
Uncle Chip a work, you know.
Oh, no,
You know, I want to play with him, you know.
no trouble, dog.
No, sir. Yo, right on your foot, him man confused. What a scene, man?
Sonny.
Fly out. You have one in there still and small one. No, we don't have a problem. If I'm only a problem, we don't have none. Just wish you could have catch everything already and go fishing. Catch him, no make him go. Yes, man. Me not tell you, man.
One Uncle Chip, you know.
Sure.
Hold on, I do that impossible catch. Surprise, understand?
No, I'm not surprised.
Oh.
Me was a one uncle, you know.
One uncle.
Even when them see a SSG now, I see him never there, so. You see him?
He missed up on me.
He's up on you.
You see my bubble restaurant there?
Yeah.
This, brother?
Yeah, man.
You see?
Yo, see Ayana? I saw it tough. I'm fat.
Like this?
Full of vein. Full of vein. Anyway, we are going to send what the mullet them are now. The catch tarpon and snook, barracuda, you name it. Because we don't use the big fish pan video.
Push it in the water, so we can suggest it and we'll get it done.
Alright. Outside, Uncle Chip. Bullet. Oh, see bullet there. Yo.
Bullet, you know?
Gone, you know. Uncle Chip on the bottom, yo.
It's soft, man.
Alright, I'll cross the river and I'll go next side. You know, go on.
No problem,
Water. It take in more water now. It take in more water. Water dirty, guys. Straight across. Yo, this is the sacrifice we make at night time come look fish. And some people, they not come out of them cold, them warm bed. Alright, eh? A real thing, man. I know if. Alright. No soap, no bone. One thing, you know, you want to wash him if I know, yes, a pin and a mullet, you know, I don't know if I want to give you that right after real.
I can't wait to go down.
Honey for water, eh? What you honest of your water?
Honey, man. Ram go that shalan.
Penny, man, because we have to give you a chance early, you know. Because you're early blossomer. And this SSG there. I change over the reel, put on one side the angle.
This is how we do it.
Active though.
Hey, active guy, that's
Yeah,
so much
man.
short. Let's look back out.
I tap on that.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Go back to the water.
SSG up in on the bait. And in cord, you know. Mine in bite, you.
Oh, God.
No bubble, dog.
No suck, no bone.
I tell you, I love around wicked, Mr. Cool, everything done.
Look, man. Yeah, man. Oh, God, uncle.
Here. Yeah. Oh, God.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Fish pan line, man. What do you, man? Yeah, man. Take your time, focus. Hold him, man. Hold him. You know,
What's in it?
you're not so firm. You're not so firm. Hold him.
Yo, a while ago I make a run on two sets. Yeah. Camera.
Tarpon that
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Tarpon.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Sink,
Sink. And if one uncle chip.
One
One uncle chip. One. Just one. You know?
One I'm alone next.
One of me alone, you know, son, I make it. Uncle too said that.
One uncle chip.
No,
Father dead and the mother dead, so no.
well, that's something no boy.
I tell you, they want to have me on my
No,
own.
I'm not tired.
Come.
Come on foot.
That's something no bone.
Look on the phone.
No bone enough for
Come
No
here, man.
bone.
Come here.
No bone. I look so comfortable.
You know, son, no boy.
Comfortable.
Come in.
That's something no bone.
No time at all.
I want it.
Say pass your hand.
Sink, you know.
Oh, you sinking, boss? Eh? Oh, you sinking?
Deep and wide.
Ah!
Sink, you know. So, last time I come and lick him,
Yeah. Yeah.
he can't come off.
No time at all.
No time.
Yes, you sink you right down in him.
Root.
Yeah, give us a pony in the head.
The root.
Yeah. Down a root.
Come still. Slowly but surely.
Yes, man.
Fuck.
Yes, man.
Me I look for you make it
Yes, man.
No, me I look for you make it.
Yes, man. Yes,
Two
man.
make it, I'm a come.
Yes, man. Like them a fall there now. Yes, man. Yes, man.
No bump for shuffle.
Yes, man.
Come man.
Yes, man.
I mean,
Yes,
I'm a lock
man.
up one hell.
Yes, man.
One hell.
Yes, man.
Give me.
Yes, man. Give peace, man. Give retirement pass peace, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Come. Where am I go?
Yes,
Biting,
man.
you know. Give him some more.
15 pound, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Give him, so no give him none.
Yeah. And if, man. Deal with him, man. Deal with him, man.
Up.
Deal with him, man.
Lift up.
Deal with him, man. Lift him up. Lift him up. Lift him up. Big iron.
You know them big legs there?
Lift him up.
So me a pump.
Sideway pump, you know. I sideway up and the edge of my pump.
Yes, boss.
Land. Look for them.
Come with him, 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 Ryan, come with him, come with him, come with him, come with him, come with him. Oh, that's in there, in the front, that's him, man. Come with him, Ryan. See me, see me, see me, Pibs. See me, Pibs. Come on, I go feel uncle. See me? I want Tarpon. See me, uncle. Go feel 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 uncle. Don't touch the line.
Alright, in dead now. In dead now.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Push him up.
Push him up, uncle.
Push him up, uncle.
Push him up, uncle.
No, man, him good now, man. Him can't get there.
Can't get there again.
Can't get there. And I'm back in.
Look at line too, look at line. Move that way. Come on, move.
Alright.
Tool. Come on, come on. Come on.
Four. More. One of them.
Yes, man. That's right. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yo.
Yes, man. Yo, guys, that one the epic. That one the epic. I was telling you, say, this is come Gono, you know. This is come for Gono. So, epic battle. Epic fight.
Sweet,
You see me? Monster Tarpon.
Monster.
Monster Tarpon.
I don't want him. Come on, man.
Yeah, man. By the bus way. Yeah, man.
Right, press the button.
Monster Tarpon, man. Monster. Monster.
Remember to comment, and like, hit subscribe.
When Baba hold the rod, you know, I watch him, you know, use the thing set up, you know.
Yes,
I
sir.
watch Baba hard, you know.
Yes, sir.
Say, yo.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. You say when Baba hold the rod, you see, you know Baba put pressure upon them, Listen, I watch him, man. You know my
Real pressure.
I feel I didn't get pressure. Hey, uncle, where's uncle? Uncle.
Pressure. Pressure.
What about out there, no?
Yo.
Pressure.
Yo.
Gosh.
Yo.
Oh God, it's sit down. It's sit down proper, man.
Deep.
In between I titanium going, you know.
Yeah, he's still away from that mouth.
Watch your right, don't step back.
One, uncle.
Yo.
One.
Never.
One. One.
Nah,
How Mike read that, man? Mike read. One.
Yo.
One.
One shit, brother.
One.
Yo, ain't the body have you
One.
two? This
One.
your friend,
Yo,
man.
him a run, you know.
One. Can't lift it.
What in tail,
Right in
man?
a pot.
Watch out, man.
One.
I prize this, you know,
One.
man. When you push up the prize, no
One.
push your prize, man.
One.
The prize then, man.
One.
I thought you come find, man. I
One.
start a pack this.
One.
Start.
I
One.
start a
Oh,
pack.
God.
Yes, man.
Oh,
Yes,
God.
man. Baba, we not left it. We not left it.
You know, have a people, we say we have a different location. But we not left absolutely
We
none
can't
of
left it. We can't left it.
No.
We go again.
Where would they come out of mouth? Yeah, man, right there, so we are clean up everything.
Catch cook.
Right, clean, man.
One for the.
Yeah, man, everything are clean up there, so. Should have a pot, but next time we carry a pot, you know, too.
Yeah, man, I know if, you know. I'm going there.
No, what you call that now? We don't want a pot, we want a... What you call that now? When I grill them,
Grill.
I'm grilling.
Oh, naive. Stop, man.
Jerk tarpon.
Anytime we come back out, man.
I know
The
if.
must.
Catch, cook and clean, man. Right on the dash. Watch the heel come out like that.
One big ink more time, belly.
How that?
Them now. See, we catch the eel, we just float him, you know.
I make it,
They
I make
ever been up on the wire too much, see them.
Yeah, you can put them pan in, but it might go bend up. But you set him for snapper. Wrong line.
Boy,
What you mean?
we can throw this now super too loud, so.
Yeah, man, boss, we have to
Let's see, let's see. I saw you go them have to jump in and then
Yeah, man. So go on with that.
one little tarpon.
Boy, well clean them.
You want to forgive thanks, man.
How much tarpon weigh again?
22.
22 pounds. 22. Oh, you weigh 22. See you there? No, it has strained me. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. You know, just go and subscribe and share the video. Cause if you don't like the video, it give you a push. I support that.
I'm just going to say what?
comments
More
say
of
motivate.
Yeah, man. More of forward. More.
Epic.
See that Uncle Chip?
All I know still there water. No, no,
Yo, me say, in love
Like,
it.
reply, no, no. Mama.
That's why I book.
See that? Ranting days.
And this we fly live now.
Yo, the video there? Epic.
Yeah, man.
Epic video.
You don't know, you know, may I remind you one more time.
And you're not talking
Like, share, subscribe. Else me I go stop make video give you, you know.
I motivate you.
Don't be afraid to comment. You see me? Comment, man. Share the thoughts.
Tell how you feel.
You see me?
And everybody who want to come and see you, you can link up in a comment and we'll plan a day and we'll come and see. Subbies, you can interact with it.
Should I buy snake? Buy snake. They said 22 pounds.
Yeah, man, at 22 pounds anyway.
Mad.
Nice.
Monster, man.
Monster. Uncle Chip still have a line of water. You still have fish, man?
Brother, we not could have a close this again.
More the mine.
So we go to work. Yeah, call as well. That's all I go down for. We should have gone a long time, you know.
Boy, it does. I feel my line out there. I don't see him that, you know.